Hi everyone, this quick video is to help you with a program that we use at Blackshear Elementary called Clever. Clever is a single sign-on server. And what that means is instead of our students having to learn a lot of different logins and passwords for different databases that we use here at our school, they only have to learn one login. That's their Google login and password. They will go to Clever, use that Google login and password to get into Clever, and then with a simple click of a button, they have access to different databases without having to log into each one. So this is what Clever looks like if you go to clever.com. There's a couple of ways to access Clever, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute. One way is clever.com. Another way to access Clever is from our school web page. At the top, our staff can access Clever under the staff heading. Or if you scroll down on the left side of the screen, click links, Clever is linked for our students. When you first go to Clever, in the top right hand corner, you may have to select if you're logging in as a student or click the drop down box and select you're logging in as a teacher. It will then take you to this screen. If you have not logged in before, it may not have you connected with Pierce County School System. So the first thing you would need to do is start typing in the name of your school. Be careful because there is a Blackshear Elementary School in Texas. You want to make sure you're selecting the correct school in the Pierce County School District. Once you do that, you have two ways to log in. For our pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade students, we are going to be giving them a Clever badge for easy login. This means these students will not have to memorize their Google login and password, and they will instead have a little QR code. They will click this Clever badge login and then use the webcam on their computer to scan their QR code, and it will log them in automatically. For 2nd through 5th grade students, you will click Login with Google. Once you log in with Google, it will ask for your username. You will type in your Google email address, which is your first name, middle initial, last name, at pierce.k12.ga.us. Your password will be a capital P, lowercase cs for Pierce County Schools, and then your lunch number with no spaces. Once the student gets logged into Clever, their screen will look a little different from mine, but once they log in with Clever, they will be able to see little app icons on the Clever screen. By simply clicking the app icon, they can access the database and it will immediately log them into the program. When finished with Clever, students should click the top right corner, click their name, and click Log Out to get out of the Clever program. If you have any questions, contact your school media specialist.